Само една глътка и пишката ти се превръща в ядрена бойна глава, дори да си вече стар шопар. Така може да се опише новият домашен лек, който взриви интернета сред мъжете в България. Най-готината работа, 100% натурален е и без странични ефекти. Преди половин година бях в пълна дупка, мъртви очи, ерекция веднъж на месец и то от жалост. 15 минути, които свършваха с срам и сълзи. Краката не ги усещах. Простатата ме режеше като с нож. Нощем ревах от болка. Жена ми въобще не спеше. Страхуваше се, че ще получа инфаркт точно върху нея. Тя вече ме беше погребала като мъж. Просрах купища пари. Гелове, дето обещаваха стоманен курс за 5 минути, а след час ставаше по-мек от всякога. Натурални капсули от аптеката. Гълтах шепи. Нулев ефект. Инжекции в пишката. Адска болка и ефект за 20 минути. Диети, фитнес, естествен тестостерон, всичко лайна. Виагра и Сиалис, като идиот. Сърцето блъскаше като лудо. Главата ми щеше да гръмне. А на следващия ден пишката още по-мъртва отпреди. Вече се бях предал и си мислех. На 64 години съм. Край. Свърших се. До гроба ще съм зеленчук с мъртва пишка. И изведнъж случайно попаднах на видео на Атанас Мангаров. Първо си помислих. Поредната глупост. Гледах. И след седмица пишката ми се изправи така дървено, че сам се шашнах и едва не се зашеметих. От тогава всяка сутрин се събужда като бетонен стълб, като на 20 години. И нито една мамка му таблетка. Имам решение и за теб. Един единствен секретен шейк. Единственият в света, който оправя този орган веднъж завинаги. И връща стоманени ерекции като на 20. Завинаги. На всеки мъж след 40-те. Без виагра и друга химия, дето те трови. Ако наистина искаш жените да лудеят по теб и да те молят да ги чукаш. Пишката ти никога повече да не пада по време на секс. Да издържаш по 2 часа без спиране и да свършваш по 3 пъти на нощ. Да чукаш минимум 30 минути без прекъсване. На следващата сутрин, след като пробвах тая методика, се събудих с пишка твърда като бетонна подпора. Жена ми се разплака. От щастие. 2 часа секс без спиране. Тя свърши 4 пъти. Сега я чукам като 30 годишен. Влизаш в нея и тя пак се чувства желана. Ако сега си мислиш, че е поредният развод на пари, и аз така мислех. Мислех, че е поредното мамене, че ще хвърля пари и нищо няма да ме спаси. Но пробвах, защото вече нямаше какво да губя. И ето какво получих за 5 минути и някакви скапани стотинки. Ерекция всяка сутрин като на 18. Твърда като скала и държи колкото трябва. Час, 2. Еякулация толкова мощна, че жена ми пищи от кеф и ми дере гърба до кръв. Простатата вече не боли, краката усещам. Налягането идеално, пак живея. Сега тя сама скача отгоре ми по 3 пъти на нощ и шепне. Върна се увереността ти. Пак си мъж, а не зеленчук с мъртва пишка. И всичко това без нито една таблетка, без инжекции, без лекари, без странични ефекти и без рисковете на химията. Мислех, че е лъжа, а се озовах в рая. Видеото на Атанас Мангаров, където показва този трик, точно под този текст. Бутон детайли. Натисни сега. Това видео са се опитвали да го махнат 1000 пъти. Може да изчезне всеки момент. Ако затвориш страницата, втори шанс няма да има. Или си връщаш стоманената ерекция и живота на истински мъж още днес. Или си оставаш импотент завинаги. Натисни сега, докато не е късно.
There's something truly magical about the mountains, exploring the way they rise, a journey into the nature's their peaks shrouded. There's something truly magical about the sense of mystery, the way they rise, it's a place where time slows down and the rhythm of nature takes over. Creating a sense of mystery is not just about it's a place where time slows down and the rhythm of nature takes over. Feeling the hiking through the mountains is not just about the breathtaking landscapes that lie beyond me, surrounded by nature, feeling the cool breeze on your face, discovering the moment you step onto the mountain temperature, there's a sense of excitement. A journey begins. The crisp air fills your lungs onto the mountain. The fresh scent of pine sense of excitement and anticipation. Whether you're walking crisp air fills your lungs and the fresh scent of pine closer invigorates your senses. Whether you make your way up the forest below seems to disappear. Every step replaced by the endless expanse of towering peaks. As you make your way up, the world below seems to disappear. No deadline, just the freedom of towering peaks. The mountains invite you to slow down. Breathe no rush, and enjoy the simplicity of the freedom to explore at your own pace. The beauty of the landscape. Slow down. Breathe deeply. And enjoy the changes as you climb higher. The lower valleys are lush. The beauty of the landscape, dotted with vibrant wildflowers. The landscape changes as you climb high. The forests are the lower valleys are lush with greenery, playful squirrels with vibrant wildflowers that sway in the gentle wind. The sounds of nature are all around. The rustling of leaves, the playful squirrels, to majestic birds soaring over rocks and nearby. The sounds of nature are all around. The rustling of leaves, the scenery transforms. The sound of forest gives way to open meadows nearby streams. When the grass ripples, as you reach higher altitudes, the scenery transforms. In the distance, forest gives way to open meadows. Glisten in the sunlight. Their majestic presence reminding you of the vastness and timelessness of nature. The air becomes cooler and the views majestic presence reminding you of the vast of the world, timelessness of nature. The air becomes the joy of the views become more every step on the trail brings glimpse of the world from a height. The path may be challenging at times, the joy of the inclines and rocky
Every
terrain,
step on the trail
but the
brings
reward
new
is always worth
discoveries.
the effort. The path may
As
be
you
challenging
pause
at
to catch
times
your
with
breath
steep
and take in
inclines
the
and rocky
surrounding
terrain,
beauty,
but the
you
reward is
realize that
always
the
worth
journey
the effort.
itself is just as
As you
important as
pause
the
to catch your
destination.
breath and
The
take in
sense
the
of
surrounding
accomplishment
beauty,
grows with every
you
step you
realize
take.
that the journey
It's not
itself
just
is
about
just as
reaching the
important
top,
as the
it's
destination.
about the connection you
the
feel
sense
with the
of
land beneath
accomplishment
your
grows
feet,
with
the sky
every step
above
you
and
take.
the air around you.
It's
There's
not
a
just
unique
about
peace
reaching
that
the
comes
top.
from being
It's
so
about the
immersed in
connection you
nature,
feel with
far
the
from
land
the
beneath
hustle
your
and
feet, the
bustle of
sky
everyday
above
life.
and the air
Connecting
around
with
you.
nature.
There's a unique
One of the
peace
most
that comes
special
from being
aspects of
so
mountain
immersed in
hiking
nature
is the
far
connection
from the
you
hustle
develop
and
with the
bustle of
natural
everyday
world.
life.
In the
Connecting
mountains,
with
you are
nature,
reminded
one
of
of
the
the
most
most
special
special aspects
aspects
of
of
mountain
mountain
hiking
hiking
is the connection you
ecosystems
develop
that
with the
support
natural
life.
world.
The
In the
beauty of the
mountains, you are
landscape, the
reminded of the
diversity of
vastness
plants
of
and
the earth
animals,
and the
and the
intricate
sheer
balance
power
of
of the natural
ecosystems
world
that
are
support
humbling.
life.
The
There's
beauty
a
of the
deep sense
landscape,
of
the
gratitude that
diversity of
comes with
plants and
spending time in
animals,
the mountains.
and the sheer
It's a
power of the
reminder of
natural
how
world are
interconnected
humbling.
we are with the
There's a
planet
deep sense
and how
of gratitude
important
that
it is to
comes with
protect
spending
and
time in the
preserve the
mountains.
environment.
It's a reminder
Every
of how
footstep on the trail
interconnected
is a
we are with
reminder
the
of the
planet and
fragile
how
beauty of
important it is
nature
to
and
protect
the
and
need to
preserve
tread lightly
lightly
and
and
respectfully.
Every
The summit
footstep on the
and the
trail
view.
is a reminder of the
As
fragile
you near the
beauty of
summit,
nature
the air
and
grows
the need to
thinner,
tread lightly
and the
and
effort
respectfully.
becomes more intense.
The summit
and the
but
view.
the view from the top is nothing
As you
short
near
of
the summit, the
spectacular.
air grows thinner,
The world
and
stretches
the effort
out before
becomes
you.
more intense.
A patchwork of
But the view
forests,
from the top
valleys,
is nothing
and
short
rivers,
of spectacular.
with distant peaks
The
reaching
world
into the
stretches
sky.
out before you.
It's a moment
A
of awe
patchwork
and
of
wonder
forests,
where you realize the
valleys, and
magnitude of
rivers,
what you've just
with distant
experienced.
peaks reaching
At
into
the
the
summit,
sky.
time seems
It's
to
a
stand
moment
still.
of awe
You
and
take a
wonder
deep
where
breath,
you realize
feeling
the
the
magnitude of what you've just experienced.
There's a
At the
profound
summit,
peace
time
that
seems
comes
to
with
stand
being on
still.
top of the
You take a
world,
deep
surrounded
breath,
by
feeling
the
the
sense
sense
of
of
achievement
nature.
wash over
It's a
you.
moment
There's
of
a
reflection
profound
of
peace that
connection
comes with
and of
being
deep
on top of the
gratitude for
world,
the journey
surrounded
that
by the
brought you
raw
here.
beauty of
A
nature.
return
It's
to
a
the
moment
valley.
of reflection,
As the
of
hike
connection,
continues and
and
you
of
begin
deep
your descent,
gratitude
the
for the
journey is
journey
far
that
from
brought you
over.
here.
The
A
mountains
return
offer
to the
new
valley.
perspectives from
As
every
the hike
angle.
continues and you
The
begin your
changing light,
descent,
the
the
journey
shifting
is
weather
far
and
from
the different
over.
paths lead
The
to new
mountains offer new
discoveries with every
perspectives
step.
from every angle.
There's no end to the
The changing
beauty
light,
and the
the
lessons
shifting
that
weather,
nature
and
has
the
to
different
offer.
paths
The
lead to
journey
new
down is
discoveries
just as
with
important
every step.
as the journey
There's
up.
no end
It's
to
a
the
time
beauty
to
and the
reflect
lessons
on the
that nature
experience,
has to offer.
to appreciate the
journey
connection
down
you've
is
made
just
with
as
nature,
important as
and
the
to prepare
journey
for
up.
the world
It's
that
a time
awaits
to
you
reflect
beyond
on
the
the
mountains.
experience,
A
to
lasting
appreciate
memory.
the connection
When
you've
the
made
hike
with
comes
nature,
to an end
and to
you
prepare
find
for the
yourself
world that
back in
awaits
the
you
valley,
beyond
there's
the
a sense of
mountains.
satisfaction
A lasting
and
memory.
fulfillment.
When
The
the
hike
hike
comes
comes
to
to
an
an
end
end, stay
and you
with
find
you long
yourself
after
back in
you've
the
returned
valley,
home.
there's a sense
The
of
mountain
satisfaction
trails,
and
the
fulfillment.
sights, the sounds,
The memories
and the
of the
feelings of
journey
peace
stay
and
with
wonder
you long
remain
after you've
etched.
returned home. The mountain trails, the sights, the sounds, and the feelings of peace and wonder remain etched.